Hi, I'm John Mayfield, the Real Estate Tech Guy, with another 5-minute real estate exam tip. Hey, it's August I think it's the 17th or 18th, I cannot remember now, but we've been doing our YouTube videos almost every day during the month of August. So it's Saturday today. I should probably look to see what time it is or what date it is, but I think it's the 18th. But regardless, we're doing another 5-minute real estate exam tip, and I want to get right into this because I have a lot of information to cover. So, this is a tax problem, and it is telling you the market value of the properties $260,000. Now, it is assessed at 30%, while the tax rate is $5 per $100. And they want to know what the monthly taxes are. Now, there's a couple of key things we've got to be really careful about in this problem. But the first thing we have to do is figure out what is called the assessed valuation. So I'm going to use a T formula or a T problem. And remember, anytime we have the two bottom numbers, we will multiply. If we have the top number and one of the bottom numbers, our math sign tells us to divide. Easy way for us to remember that. We remember that part goes on top, always the smaller number. T for total goes on bottom. It's always the bigger number. And we have the percentage or the rate. Now, the first part of the question here says that the market value is $260,000 and it is assessed at 30%. Well, we are solving for the assessed valuation. Do we have the 30% or the rate? Yes. 30% goes here. We need to move our decimal over 2 places. So that's going to be 0.30. And do we have the bigger number, the total? Sure we do. It's the market value. It's going to go on bottom. So we need to do a multiplication problem here, which is 260,000 times 0.30. That gives me $78,000. This is the assessed value because it's 30% of the market value. Now, keep in mind, why did we multiply? Because we had two bottom numbers, and our math tells us whenever you have the two bottom, multiply. If you have one on top and one on bottom, the math tells you to divide. So that's why we multiplied. And when we multiplied 260,000 times 0.30, we get 78,000. That's the assessed valuation. Now the tax rate is $5 per 100. Now if you see this in the question and they do not say per 100 of assessed valuation, it's no big deal. All we're going to do is divide 78,000, the assessed valuation, by 100 to see how many 100s are in there. When we do that, we get 780. Now, it's just a multiplication. Its tax rate's $5 per 100. Well, there are 780 100s in the assessed valuation. So when we multiply that times 5, we get $3,900. Now, I guarantee you that will be one of the answers. However, they want to know what the monthly taxes are. So we just work one more problem. We take 3,900 and we divide by 12 because there are 12 months in a year, and we get $325 as the monthly taxes for this property. Well, wasn't that bad of a math problem. You will see a problem like that on the exam, and hopefully this is going to help you be able to answer that problem correctly and pass the real estate exam on the first attempt. We'd love for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. give us a subscription, subscribe, go to our Facebook page and our Instagram page, like those as well. And thanks again for watching the video.